Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your phone, and seeing notifications like, you just made a sale again and again and again. No boss, no office, no stress. Just pure automated income flowing into your account. Sounds unreal? Well, it's not. Because right now, there's a system that's helping ordinary people, beginners, even people with zero experience, generate consistent online income using simple traffic strategies. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to make money online but felt overwhelmed? Too many tools, too many gurus, too much confusion? Maybe you tried affiliate marketing, drop shipping, freelancing, but nothing really clicked. You're not alone. The truth is, most people fail online, not because they're not smart, but because they don't have the right system. Now imagine this instead, a step by step system that shows you exactly how to get traffic, convert that traffic, and turn it into real income. No guessing, no complicated tech, no wasted time. That's exactly what this program delivers. This isn't theory. This is a proven system designed to help you get targeted traffic, turn visitors into buyers, build a scalable income stream, even if you're starting from scratch. And here's the best part, you don't need to create your own product. You don't need a big following. You don't need any special skills. Everything is already done for you. All you need to do is plug into the system, follow the steps, and let it work. Right now, there are people quietly using this system and generating results every single day. People just like you. Students, 9 to 5 workers, even complete beginners. And the only difference between them and you, they took action. Let me be real with you for a moment. Opportunities like this don't stay hidden forever. The longer you wait, the more crowded things become. But right now, you're here and you have a chance to get in early and start building something real. So, here's what you need to do next. The link is in the description. Go ahead, click the link, check out the full details, and get started today. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you can start seeing results. And wait, there's something special for you. If you purchase through the link in the description, I'm going to give you an exclusive free bonus. Yes, completely free. This bonus is designed to help you get faster results. Avoid beginner mistakes. Maximize your earnings. Here's how to claim your bonus. After you purchase, take a screenshot of your purchase. Send it to me on Instagram. And I will personally send you your bonus. Simple as that. So don't wait. This could be the opportunity that changes everything for you. Click the link in the description. Get started today and claim your free bonus. Remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. Your future depends on the actions you take today. So take that step, and I'll see you on the inside.